All right, already, boys and girls, welcome to the car show extravaganza. The look but don't touch especial. I love this truck right here, old Power Wagon. I gotta have a gander at this thing first, Amber. Woo. Color matched rims with the exterior. That's a clean. That line is crisp. That badging is mean. Oof. This one's cooler than mine. Yeah. I'll admit that. So the bumper, color matched, of course. I'd probably go a different color, but looks good. Chrome's shining for sure. Yep, that's the engine. You guys know that. That's the engine. Got another one. Beautiful truck. Beautiful.
What's that?
Boys and girls, it's a day. It's a beautiful weather. We don't have to stay too long in this section. Oh, I like that. Those valve covers are shiny. That's cool. That's clean.
You don't want that? No?
Beautiful. I like the shiny valve covers. Whoever. This you? I like the valve covers. Those boys are shiny.
Yeah, those are factory.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Sheesh. Clean car, sir. Looks good. Kragers? Okay, these are some sought after rims. Goodness. Amber, the rims, those are like, the rims alone are like, if those are OEM, like original, those are like several $1,000s. Kragers are called. My mom had those on her Nova growing up. Oh, those are shiny. Wow, look at those boys. They're shiny. We can keep going. We can keep pushing.
No, you're good. You're good.
Okay.
It's just the way she's facing.
Oh, okay. I got the sun. Little scat pack over here. Little scat pack. Oh, is there more this way?
Well, we were going to go this way and then go that way.
Okay,
And
sorry.
then we were gonna do the
I'm getting all out of order. Look at that badging. That's beautiful. Krieger's is shining. But this truck, though, that Power Wagon. Beautiful.
Sorry. You're fine, dog.
The chain, that's funny.
Oh, he's
Little thug. What's up, little thug? Hi, buddy. Oh, I got my drink. That's my drink. You're a little cutesy. That chain's funny.
Yeah,
Oh, that's a big boy right there.
He's got his chain on, too.
Yeah.
He's like, oh, friend.
It's like 80 times the size. That's cool. Oh, staying back here. Is it a manual? Let's see if it's a manual or not. That will make it a... Is it a manual? Oh, it's an auto. It's okay. It's convertible. There's Boss 302 back there. Look at you. I like the orange. Tires are brand new pretty much. That orange is clean. This you? Okay. Oh, and it's a standard. Yes, sir. Rowing gears. No easy street on this boy. Jeez, those tips are big. They're big boy pipes. Yeah, it's got a nice rumble. This is cool. Got the wood wheel. Okay. Nice. Don't forget, it's a 302.
That front end, that's a 66. See, you can.
I like the horn placement, that's cool. So much space too. Look at that. Between the radiator and the freaking grill. So much space. Look at that. Now the engine's set pretty far back. That's behind. That's like even. That's like dead even with the front axle. Huh. Maybe a little bit behind. That's got a nice look to it. All right, you ready, Freddie? And only complicate things?
We should have brought business cards.
Ooh, yes.
Are they in your wallet?
I don't think so. We can check, but I do not think so. Would you like me to check? Bob Saget.
In your pocket?
Oh, 2 more than you had before. Can you just put that in the carrier? Yes, please. Thank you. This green is unique. It's an MSD coil pack. Looks like it. Looks like it. I bet this thing parties. Intake's clean. Looks good. Not a huge fan of the color. Don't hate it. Don't love it though. It's not my car, you know. I'll respect it. What? No, I was taking a little break here, but that's a good point. I thought we were going this way. Where were we going? No, well, I'm already here. Already started. Oh, he's got a mesh guard. That's a good idea. That's a good. Amber, looks like a pre-filter on the. Not a filter, it's a protector for the radiator. Yeah, don't touch me. No. Malin, you got her way too close, Amber. Don't touch me, okay? You did touch. We're not touching. Yeah, we're not going to. Okay. Excuse me. Whoop, we can keep going. What's your favorite one you've seen so far, Addie? Okay, sure, of dogs.
No, the car.
It could be of dogs. Okay. Oh, we've seen that purple one there before. I remember that.
Yeah.
Oh. I like how that one's like sitting back. The all black one. That thing looks mean. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, even the gas cap. Well, I guess the cover. Look at that, Amber. The chrome molding for the gas tank. That's cool. Love the Bel Airs. Beautiful. But this thing looks mean. This one of you gentlemen? I love how it sits. Is that factory or did you adjust the suspension?
It's all.
Okay, it's done up. Okay. Well, it looks mean. Very mean. Yeah, how is the visibility? I just saw that front cover. You don't need good visibility where you're going though. People move out of your way. Does it sound as mean as it looks?
It's got a nice sound.
Good. I saw your exhaust. Are those like spark arresters or something on it, or what are those covers?
Those are called lane pipes. They're just ornamental.
Okay. Oh, so they don't. It's,
You can hook them in and then take the caps off.
okay, but they're not hooked in. Okay.
Just for style.
Okay. That's cool. I got a side exit on my square body over there, so I love side exit exhaust. So
Yeah.
I'm a sucker for them. All right, you gentlemen have a good day.
Take care of it.
You ready?
Addie just saw that thing you used for the first time.
Saw what for the first time?
The little bin thing.
Oh, the suction transfer device. Yeah. Eddie, we used to use those as kids frequently.
That's what I told her. I told her ATMs was weird.
Yeah, they were, but they were always attached.
Yeah.
I like this cream. Those exhaust. Amber, look at the exhaust. They come out the rear bumper. That's different. Ooh, Addie, look at this blue. That is beautiful. That is so rich. Look at that, Amber.
Look at this color.
Look, that's really pretty, but and this is why I said I wanted to wait a little bit because of the sun. These cars, oh my goodness, they're popping now in this sunlight. Goodness gracious. You're beautiful. Oh, look at the seats. Look at the seats. Got the silver, I guess, chrome accents. Goodness. It's a manual with the hearse shifter. Look at that. Have a gander. Poking out at you right there, saying hi with the gauges down below. This thing parties. This thing parties. God. Beautiful. That blue. This you? That blue is beautiful.
Yeah, it's called intense blue.
Yeah.
It's a Chrysler color, too.
Is it factory?
Yeah.
Is this a factory paint or did you touch it up? Or?
No, I had it painted.
Okay. Yeah, I was telling her like, cause that purple is beautiful, but the way this hits in the sunlight is,
Yeah.
man.
8 years ago, me and Bill, my brother here, we always go to the Auburn Auto Wash.
Okay.
And some guy had a 41 Willys that was painted this color.
And it struck you like it struck me just now.
I said, hey, this is beautiful. What color is this? He said, well, actually, it's a Chrysler color. It's called intense blue.
Intense blue.
I-
I'm gonna remember that. Like that is something.
Yeah, I decided that's the color I needed to buy. So $850 a gallon. 3 gallons later, I got my car.
Not including clear coat, but
Oh God, there's 3 coats of clear coat on it.
Goodness.
Yeah.
goodness. What was it? It was a base? Were you able to spray over it? Or did you have to like sand
Oh,
to the metal?
all the way down the metal.
That was a process then. Okay. Okay. Well, good on you for undertaking it. Like, geez.
Oh, thank you. I
Yeah.
love it. Yeah.
I don't blame you. I'd stare
It
at that all
runs
day.
real good and everything.
I was telling her because we came out maybe 45 minutes ago and it was still a little cloudy. I'm like, because she's like, do you want to eat now or later? I'm like, let's eat now. Hopefully the sun comes out. And thank God it did.
Oh yeah.
Praise
Makes
God.
all the colors just pop. every
Yeah.
time.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm in heaven right now. So
Oh yeah.
have a good day.
Take care, buddy. Thanks for looking at it.
No problem. Thanks for sharing it.